Hey guys, if you've liked this video at the end, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, like and share. Enjoy!
Alright, so what I'm going to do here is disconnect and repark these angle trailers that I used earlier for the angle back. So what we're going to do here, right, is turn to the left until I see the trailer I'm going to connect to. We're going to keep turning to the left. Now I see my trailer. Okay, as you can see, I am not pointing my trailer, the back of the trailer, to here. I'm pointing it beyond it. Now the closer I get to it, alright, now my steers are pointing straight. They're going dead straight. Now once they get closer to the trailer, I'm going to start slightly turning. Alright, so just keep her going. Now you want to aim, you don't want to aim for the very side of the trailer. You want to aim kind of more here along this aluminium part. Sorry, aluminum. And by the time your trailer gets, or your trailer tires get to about around here, you want to make sure you're nice and dead straight. Now before I actually click or connect to the trailer, I want to make sure that I'm nice and even. Alright, so as you can see, we see the white paint here, we see the white paint here, pretty close. So when we start backing up, the trailer didn't move left or right. Okay, so now we pull forward. And now notice I'm going to put it into this space here. Alright, so I don't need to turn to the left. I'm already facing to the left. Alright, so I'm just going to drive straight. Driving straight, and the next thing I'm going to do is turn to the right. So turn to the right. Now back to the left again. Making sure I'm not hitting anything in front of me. Okay, so nice and easy. Now I'm going to focus on the left bottom mirror for just a few seconds. Now I don't have to worry about anything on the other side because there's nothing there. A little bit of maneuvering. And we're in. Nice and simple. Okay, now next we're going to connect to the other angle trailer. So I'm going to pull forward and I'm going to go off to the left. Because I want to get my rear pointing towards the front of the trailer. So let's turn to the left, looking in the left hand mirror. Oh, there's my trailer. So now I'm just going to drive perfectly straight back. Small little adjustments. Making sure that I can see all of this. If I'm angled to the left, so if I see this part of the trailer in this mirror, I want to make sure I can see a lot more of this by the time I get to here. Alright, it's just you want to be aiming over here, and now see where this, if you can kind of run the line along here, this back tire is pointing towards the edge here, while this is pointing towards here. Anyway, so now let's take a look. Now before I click, as you can see, I'm not perfectly dead straight. I can see the side of the trailer over here, but I can't see the side of the trailer over here on the right hand side. So, and by the time, now I'm straight and it still hasn't clicked yet, so I'm nice and straight. I think it'll move just a little bit. No, perfect. Okay, but I am a little bit cocked, as you can see here, to too much trailer and not enough here. So now let's pull forward. Alright, so now I will turn slightly to the left now, because I have to bring over, so what space? So I need to bring over all the way over here to 3 spaces. So we're pretty much going to be doing like a 45-degree back. So I'm going to, well, slash 90, I suppose. Okay, so let's stick our head out the window like I always do, and we're going to do a normal back. Making sure we're not going to hit this trailer, but you can get as close as you want to it as long as you don't hit it. Anyway, that's just that simple little back there for you and connecting to a trailer, but it's a little more complicated than that. But anyway, you guys take care, like, subscribe, all that good stuff that you're supposed to do. Alright, see you in the next video. Good luck. So if you click on any of these links, I have some more backing videos for you, and enjoy. Bye.